With the election petition filed by the Coalition for Reforms and Democracy called presidential candidate Raila Odinga Saturday challenging the pronouncement of Uhuru Kenyatta as president in the recent polls, focus now shifts to this house, the Supreme Court, where 6 judges will sit and decide what next for the country.
Interesting that I'm laughing in my own office.
The 6 Supreme Court judges, led by Chief Justice and the President of the Supreme Court, Dr. Willie Mutunga, include Justices Njoki Ndongo, Philip Tunoy, Justice Mohammed Ibrahim, Dr. Smokin Wanjala, and Jackton Ojwang. These, the man and woman whose decision is eagerly awaited by Kenyans as well as the international community. With Kenya's Supreme Court consisting of 6 judges at the moment, since Deputy Chief Justice designate Justice Kalpana is yet to be cleared by Parliament, there is a possibility that the decision of the Supreme Court could be a tie of 3-4 and 3 against. What could be the implication of that? Ordinarily, law experts say an odd number of judges should sit for such cases since they can never result in a tie. With an odd number of justices, every vote is going to come to a result, with one side having more votes than the other. But with an even number, you could have a vote that is evenly split and which therefore fails to decide the issue upon which they are voting. Chief Justice Dr. Willie Mutunga has the powers as the President of the Supreme Court to ask for an odd number of judges, but it is apparent that all the 6 judges will hear and determine the petitions.
Again, constitution of a bench is the Chief Justice's mandate. But remember that the Supreme Court is a collegial court. They have already made a decision, and you heard this from a public statement by the Chief Justice, that all of them will sit. But again, that is something for the court to decide.
According to legal analysts, if it is a tie, the petition will be deemed to have been lost. Potentially, what this means is that for CORD or the civil society group AFRICOG to win this petition, they will have at least to get 4 judges to rule in their favor. Evelyn Wambui, Sunday Live.